welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm making chicken tenders. These chicken tenders are so crispy and taste absolutely delicious. Trust me, you're going to enjoy it. So let's jump right in. We'll begin by prepping my chicken, which I've already washed and cleaned with some water, vinegar, and some salt. And also cut them into stripes. I'm using chicken thighs, but you can use chicken breast as well, okay? We'll go ahead to pat them dry to remove any excess water. Once I'm done, I'll add in some salt to taste. Some Sazon Goya chili sauce. Now, adding the chili sauce wasn't to make it spicy, but just to add more flavor to the chicken, okay? To that, we'll go in with some onion powder, ginger powder, 1 egg, now I have some homemade buttermilk. We'll add it to it. Then go ahead to mix everything together. So with the seasoning, you can use any seasoning of your choice. Just make sure that your chicken is well seasoned. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead to cover it and let it marinate for a few hours. You can marinate it overnight for the better result. Now to the coating, I'm going to go ahead to mix together flour, cornstarch, some garlic powder, paprika, onion powder, some black pepper, ginger powder, Sazon Goya, Adobo seasoning, and a touch of salt. And guys, I've listed all the measurements and the ingredients in the description box, so please do check it out. And after 3 hours later, our chicken tenders are well seasoned. So what I'm doing now is making sure I'm getting all the excess moisture before adding it into my flour mixture. Now I'm going to go ahead to coat it properly by pressing the flour onto the chicken so it sticks nicely on the chicken. And then simply shake off the excess flour. Then transfer it into a plate. We'll continue to repeat the same process for the rest of the chicken. Then we'll start to fry our chicken tenders. So I would like to take this opportunity to say a very big thank you to my returning and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you so much for your support. God bless you. And if you are new here, you are warmly welcome. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join this beautiful family. Thank you for subscribing. Now, once I'm done, we'll bring the oil temperature to around 160 Celsius and making sure I maintain the temperature. Okay, so we'll go ahead to add in some onions into the oil for more flavor. Then add in my chicken into the hot oil. Now I'm going to go ahead to fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until you have a nice golden brown color. right. So once our chicken tenders are ready, I'm going to go ahead to get it out of the oil, then transfer it into a rack to remove any excess oil. Now, before frying the next batch, it is best to get rid of any excess crumbs, okay? Then we'll go ahead to add in my chicken. We'll fry it until it is also golden brown. And just look how pretty these chicken tenders are. In a corner, yelena shi. Bakbako. Abaleke. Alominoke. These chicken tenders are so good, and the taste is incredible. You will enjoy it. Alright, guys, thank you all so much for watching. And until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.